Thompson, one of the best in the business, as exhibited by that play. Knocks it away. Curry back to Thompson for the lay-in. Tough guys down low as Curry steps back to it.
The referees need to get more calls right, and the players need to stop acting like Kevin Durant.
As it poked away, Iguodala with the steal. Throws it up, and Klay Thompson throws it down. The 4 All-Stars and Iguodala out there. Curry for 3. Percentage. Curry again. Steph Curry from downtown to push it up. Backdoor Durant.
Call wrong. Is the player out there disrespecting the guy? Is he coming on to him too hard?
How to get away from 3
with his credential on. Draymond Green. And doing nice things for the Celtics. David West gets inside. And here in the 4th quarter. Curry to the basket. High off the glass. Curry for 3. Bang!